Hello dancers, welcome to your weekend warm-up. Today's drills are dedicated to our isolations of ribcage and hips and combination of both. By that I mean we will practice our waves, our chest waves, both frontal and lateral. We will practice our pendulums, the combinations, maybe the V-shapes, and our zigzags. So if you're ready, go make some room, go get some water, and let's begin. Ready? Open your feet hips width apart, relax, soften your knees, and begin chest isolations forward and back. Forward, back. Use your core muscles, back muscles to the side. Left, right. Left, right. Good. Circles forward and left. Let's go. Again. Opposite way. Good. Hips forward and back. Side to side. Circles forward and left. Opposite way. Get ready for basic. Basic. Sensual basic in place. 1, 2, 3. And breathe. Basic. One more time. Sensual basic. Good. Now we start chest waves. Rotational. Chest again. Chest again. Good. Last one. Sink into your zigzag. Straight, 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 straight. Keep it small. Last 2 times. Finish. Basic. Slide. Basic. Good. Last half a basic. We do same thing with this side wave. Go. 2. One more time. Last time. Zigzag. Zigzag. Hip, chest, chest, hip. Last one. Finish. Double time. Basic. Turn. Lateral chest wave. 1, 2 again. Good. Last time. Now sink into your pendulum. 1, 3. Now zigzag. Let's go. Straight, straight. Last one. Finish. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Did you get that? Let's do that one more time. We did the chest wave, pendulum, and then we change it to the zigzag, okay? Let's go. Chest wave. Chest and chest. Chest, pendulum. 1, 3. Zigzag. Double zigzag. Basic. Good. When we do quick movements, such as double zigzag, you want to make them smaller. Basic. Culitos in place. 1, 2, 3. Open base. 1, 2, 3. One more time. Basic. Let's go. Turn and jump. Basic. Good. Let's do pinzas only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Culitos. 1, 2, 3. Basic. Front wave. Let's go. Zigzag. Finish. Basic. Chest wave lateral. Okay, that's it. Well, you guys did great. That's it for today's weekend warm-up. I hope you liked it, and if you did, leave a like under this video so YouTube knows that our videos are helpful. And if you're still struggling with your body mechanics and isolations, and if you want to make them clean, I suggest you check out this playlist where I will be uploading every Tuesday. We call them Tuesday tutorials. Every Tuesday, a new concept, a new breakdown, a new lesson. Alright, that's it. I hope to see you in my next class or on the dance floor. Ciao, BachaTUyYO signing out. Take care of yourself.
Entre tantas miradas la tuya me provocaba. Con miedo a enamorarte lentamente te acercabas.